Ready to streamline your financial operations and boost efficiency? Welcome to Fondy, your powerful partner in seamless payment management. This guide will walk you through the process of creating a new Fondy payment account, selecting the right type, and funding it for future transactions. Getting started with Fondy is a breeze. Just a simple click on the Create New Account button on our homepage or via the Accounts tab opens up a world of possibilities for your business. Next, you'll choose the account type that perfectly suits your needs. Whether you're a budding startup or a large enterprise, Fondy has you covered. Our standard account is a fantastic starting point, allowing you to establish up to 3 dedicated accounts. But for businesses with more intricate financial structures, our master account is a game changer. Imagine the power to create unlimited sub-wallets absolutely free. This means you can effortlessly manage funds for different aspects of your business, be it various locations, specific projects, or payouts to partners. Depending on your business model, you can distribute funds across different wallets and manage them from the master account, giving you a clear overview of your finances at the main account level. It's financial control and clarity simplified. For start, as an example, let's create a standard account. Click the Create Standard button, then enter the account name and select the currency. After entering the details, you will see a notification confirming that your account creation request has been received. Click Go to Standard to proceed. After entering the account management menu, you must fund your account before making payments. If this is your first time creating an account and none of your wallets have funds, you will need to obtain deposit details. To retrieve your account details, click Details in the upper right corner of the screen. You will receive the following information: holder name, sort code, account number, IBAN, BIC, SWIFT. You can copy individual fields or use the download or share buttons for convenience. Once you have funded your account, you will be able to make payments. Now let me show you how to create a master account. If you wish to create a master account, the process is similar to the standard one. Click back to Accounts and Create New Account, and after that, select Master Account. You also need to name the account and choose a currency. However, in a master account, you have the ability to create an unlimited number of wallets. By default, you start with 1 wallet, but you can create new ones by clicking the Create New Wallet button. In the next window, the master account under which you are creating the wallet will be displayed at the top. If you have multiple master accounts, you can change it if needed. You need to fill in 2 fields: Wallet Owner ID, Wallet Owner Name. Enter any values in the Wallet Owner ID, and Wallet Owner Name fields that will help you identify the wallet, for instance, Payout Wallet, Wallet ID 1, Pay In Wallet, Wallet ID 2. These values will be displayed in the client user interface and included in the account data export files. Once you've entered these details and clicked Create Wallet, your new sub-wallets are instantly active and ready to use. See them there on your dashboard in the Active Status column? It's that quick and easy to tailor your payment infrastructure to your exact business requirements. Now let's figure out how to make payments. Managing payments is simple and efficient. This guide will walk you through the process of making a payment, whether you're sending funds to an external counterparty or transferring between your own accounts. After creating an account and funding the balance, you can make payments. To initiate a payment, click the Payment section, then Make a Payment button in the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down window, a menu will appear where you need to fill in the following fields: Sending From. In this field, if you have multiple wallets, select the wallet from which you want to send the payment. Payment details, currency. Choose the desired currency from the available options and enter the amount. Description. Enter the purpose of the payment. Sending to. In this section, select the recipient of the payment from 2 options. Counterparty. Sending a payment to an external recipient. If you are entering the counterparty's details for the first time, you can immediately fill in all the necessary information in this menu. Simply start typing, and the Add a New Counterparty button will appear. After clicking the button, fill in the following fields: counterparty type, individual or company. Choose which bank details to use, account number or IBAN. Click Proceed to continue. Transfer between accounts. Select this option if you want to make a payment between your own wallets. In the drop-down list, choose the desired wallet, then click Proceed. For example, let's make a payment from default wallet to the newly created OnePay wallet. In the next menu, review the entered details. If everything is correct, click Confirm Payment. Great, your payment has been sent. Click Continue. The transaction will then appear in the list of payments, and its status will update within a few seconds. Additionally, in the Payments menu, you can filter transactions by date and status. By following these simple steps, you can easily make payments and track your transactions in just a few clicks. Whether you're sending funds externally or transferring between your own accounts, the process is designed to be quick and hassle-free. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the new features of our platform.